To effortlessly secure your hair and maintain a stylish look, you can use a jaw hair clip. Start by brushing out any knots or tangles, especially if you have long hair. Next, gather your hair with your palms facing up and twist it toward the back of your head, securing it with the jaw clip. For added volume, you can gently pull the ends up before closing the clip. If you prefer starting with a ponytail, gather your hair and twist it into a coil, tucking the tip under the base before securing it with another jaw clip. For a quick style, pull the sides of your hair to the back, lift slightly for volume, and secure with the clip, ensuring the handle faces away from your head. Finally, use additional clips to organize any remaining hair for a polished finish.